guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss about the classic maps of BGMI which are still exist in reality. Okay, so let's start the video. So first I will show you Erangel number 1. Erangel, yes, Erangel. So which is located in Russia. It is a dark forest, grassland, woodland and urban sea. Okay, and all. Acha, then map of Erangel. Map of uh, Erangel. So I will show you the map of Erangel. Yes, I will also tell you where is the hotspot zone, who is in beginning of BGMI. So I will tell you tell this for them. So coaching kids a hotspot zone, and hotspots means here enemy lands in high amount. Okay, and this is Sano hotspot zone, Novokia hotspot zone, Milta Power hotspot zone, Milta hotspot zone, prison hotspot zone, mansion hotspot zone, school hotspot zone, Rozok hotspot zone, then Georgepool hotspot zone, then I got Yasna's hotspot zone. Okay, 70 in small amount, but in high amount you here is high amount of enemies, means here enemy lands in high amount to take the fight with other players. Okay, then I am telling this for the beginners of BGMI who will start to play this. They will not get the real location. After playing they will understand, they will themselves understand the locations. Where is the hot zones, sorry. Then Livik. See, it is in Europe, means it is attached with Denmark, Netherlands, Norway and Sweden. It is an island of what? Snow, no. It is the island of forest, I think, forest island. Okay, I will show you the map of Livik, and I will also tell where is the hotspot zones, hot zones. Here, got it. Middleston full of hot zone, means air enemy lands in high amount, crab crash. Greenhouse, hot spring, Eastport, Fisheries, but in Middleston in high amount of enemies land. Then Reeds, lumberyards, power plants is like Middleston, where enemies land in high amount. Aqueduct, where you will get high amount of loots. Okay, means which is purposes to survive in the whole island in a limit of 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes not, yes, yes, 30 minutes. Shipyard. Okay, in waterfall you will get high amount of loots. Okay, then third number, Vikendi. where is Vikendi? Adriatic Sea, which is located near Italy. Okay, this is located near Italy. Italy and Ionic Sea. It is a snow forest, means when you will play in the map of Vikendi, you will see whole island is full of snows. Okay, mountain, sea not mountain, snows. Okay, they are full of covered with whole island is full of covered with snows and some forests. Then I will show you the map of Vikendi. This is the third number, and it is the latest map of BGMI, means Battleground Mobile India. I will tell you the horizons. Firstly, I will see. No, where is? I think it is no. I want to show you the whole map, but here is half map. Let's see this. No, it is Vikendi. Okay. Yeah, I am not getting it. Dino Park is a hot zone. I'm just getting in. Dino Park is a hot zone. Then I will get another hot zone here. Where is the hot zone? Yes, here you are seeing that Dobro Metro, it's in hot zone. Here big there will get the hot zones where the words are written in big, means in this size, big size. Here you will see there as the words are in big, means these are the hot zone where enemy lands in high amount. Okay. Then number 4, Sandhook. So it is it is located in Thailand. This island, the maps of BGMI are always in island only. Okay, jungle, range and rainforest, grass, woodland. Okay, let's show you the map of Shanhook. See, it is a map of Shanhook. Okay. Yes, boot camp, then query. 1 second, I will show you this in high. Why these ads come, I don't know. So guys, I am not getting the map of अरे भाई ये तो है भाई, देखता होगा, आपको फोटो में ही बोल देता हूँ। ओके, पैराडाइज रिसोर्ट, Cave, Tamlong. In Paradise Resort you will get high amount of enemies and camp where yes, I got it. Then I got it. Okay. So docks, DOCKs, docks. By enemy land means the hot zone. Then 5th number. Your 5th number is which? Miramar. Okay, Miramar. Where is why these maps come? Where is Miramar? So why this map is come? Oh, it is in Florida, USA. Oh, it is easy to see. Here is Miramar, near West Park. I don't know where is the West Park. Yes, in near Hollywood, means the industry of Hollywood. Okay, Silver Lakes, and this whole the border is inside the border visited Miramar, means here is the island of Miramar, and it is located in Florida, USA, means in United States of America. Okay. In BGMI. In BGMI. Yes. Yes, got it. Yes, got it. I got it. El Pozo. Yes. Los Leones. Okay. Then Putro. These are the, here I am telling the hot zones, means where the enemy lands in high mount. Then San Martin. Okay. Campo Military. No, Campo Military not. Sorry. Here in here. Yes. Pesedo. Picado. Okay. El Pozo, San Martin. San Martin is like school in Erangel map. Okay, where enemy lands in higher amount. Los Leones. Okay. Pietro Paris. Everything told. Okay. Then number, this is then number 6, I think, or 7. Then Karakin. Where is Karakin. This is the map of Karakin. I think which is, yes, it is located in Western Australia. In Australia. And yes, this is the map of Karakin, which is bordered with black sketch pen, or I think black pen. Okay, this is the island of Karakin. So now I will show you the map of Karakin. This is the last map of BGMI, means Battleground of India, as I told previously. Okay, map of Karakin. I will tell you the horizons of Karakin. See, here is the horizons of Karakin, which is circled with white color. Okay, and these are the horizons of Karakin, where enemy land in high amount. Okay, why these ads come, I don't know actually. So I end this discussion of classic map in this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, share, comment and like my channel. Thank you.